Hi, so this is an unboxing of the FoodSense. We were assuming that you're ordering the FoodSense, and I just want to give you a quick show and tell what's actually in the box. So this is the buffer. So with the starter kit, you get 500 mils of buffer. I'll put that to a side. It's all nicely wrapped, so I don't really want to unwrap it too much, but that's the buffer. Now I'm going to get into the box itself. I've obviously just cut the slits here. And then if we open up the box, first thing you get is a manual. The manual is really quite nicely detailed. You know, what's in the box, where to get the software, how to turn on the unit. So it's very well illustrated, well laid out, and really quite clear. Next thing in, we just have an insert. You just open that up and we're into the box itself. What we have is the meter and a cable, and we have the cartridges. You get 100 cartridges. So if you've ordered the chili sensor, you get the sensors. You have the chili QR code. You have the, let's say, the meter itself, which is here. This is very elegant, nice and small. On button obviously is here. If for some reason you get some chili sauces or chili powders or purees, etc. on it, you can just take it apart and clean it and put it back together again. So that's what comes in the box. So in the end, in the box, instructions for putting the software on your phone, the instructions itself, the sensor with the QR code on it, the meter, and the buffer. And as I say, there's 100 sensors, and it all comes in this little useful box. Okay, thanks very much.